Hi YouTubers, welcome to my very first Women of Marvel comics update, and also unpackaging, unbubbling, unboxing, whatever you want to call it. I still have it in the little plastic here, I just have to get this off. But lately, I've been trying to find Dazzler comics and finish up my Savage She-Hulk comics. I only have 2 more for the Savage She-Hulk, and I'll be done with that. And this, I think, goes up to 47 Dazzler. So I don't know when I will get finished with this one, but I will definitely try. And what we're looking at here now is issue 9. Looks pretty good condition. I don't see any dents, no spine wear, no bents or creases in the pages. Looks good. Back looks good. The inside looks good. All I have to do is bag and board it. But just to let you on a little inside thing with me in comics. In my early teens, I think that's when I started actually really reading comics, and I started buying them and reading them, and then, but I was more into Marvel than DC. I don't even know which comic was my first comic book. I know I got when I started collecting comics, I used to get them from DC and Marvel, and I would get some Superman and Batman. So here's issue 8. Good cover. Just like the issue 9, looks pretty good. Pretty good condition. Oh, the funny thing is, just recently I got issue 6. Bought issue 6 with the Hulk in it. And then after I bought that, I went on eBay and I got this because it had issue 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 to 5. Then issue 7 to 12. So that was good. I found these comics on eBay. Here's issue 7. And next is issue 4. With Dr. Doom. Got packaged them pretty good. Had them in here with this taped all around the comics. In this one bag, which I really don't like whenever they put comics in like one bag. I would rather get the comics bagged and board already, But, what can you do? I'm pretty surprised how good condition these are. Though. Issue 5. Looking good. Let's flip it over. And I believe this is a UK comic because it has UK. This actually might be my first UK comic, or first UK comics, because the next one's the same thing. So this is issue number 12. Looks good. And here's issue number 11. I love buying the Marvel comics from the 70s and 80s, and I think this is 81. Next is issue 10. Galactus. I'm really surprised with some of the enemies they had for Dazzler. They're all people of Dazzler, you know. They fighting Galactus, Dr. Doom, Terrax from that issue. It's crazy. I'm also happy to have issue 1. Look at that fine cover. Got Spider-Man, Iron Man, Nightcrawler. I always forget her name. But it's the first issue of Dazzler. Look at this. I think it's beautiful. Hopefully I'll be able to get all these. There's issue 2. What is her name? I think she's an Asgardian. Enchantress? I believe that's her name. I'm not 100% sure. Leave me a comment if I'm right, if that's who that is. And the last one. Issue 3. Enter Doom. But as I was saying earlier, I started buying Marvel comics. I actually started buying a lot of Wolverine, X-Men, Spider-Man, all that kind of stuff. And of course, Dazzler is part of the X-Men, which, you know, brings it full circle now that, you know, I'm getting these. To tell you the truth, I really wasn't into Captain America or the Hulk or Avengers. I knew of Captain America and the Avengers and all that, and I had, you know, a few comics here and there, but I was never really into it. I was X-Men, Wolverine, and Spider-Man. Until recently, that's when I started, like, I wanted to get the 22 issues of the Champions. I think so far I got 3 of them. 9, 10, and 11. I'm hoping I'll find more. I also like Power Man and Iron Fist. I like those comics. I hope I get more of those. But that's just me randomly. Yep, so got the Dazzler. I'll probably read them sometime when I finish reading the Wolverine that I got. But this is my update on Women of Marvel. Hopefully I have some more. I'm always ordering lately comics off of eBay. So this is Dazzler. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. If you read the Dazzler comics, what you think about the Dazzler comics. And if I was right, if that was Enchantress or whatever. But once again, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.